Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you a little bit about cause marketing. Now, cause marketing is really interesting, and it's something which I really like because it can show that you are a really good company. So, what exactly is cause marketing? Well, this is where you will align yourself with social or environmental causes. So for example, if you support a local charity and have that charity up in your shop, restaurant, whatever business you've got, if you support something like a company like Greenpeace, an environmental company, you can also have their product. You can also have their product and messaging up in your store. And having this is really good because it shows that you're a company that cares about local charities, about different charities, about environmental causes. It's really good because it helps improve your brand image. So it's one of those things which it's really worth taking the time to invest yourself a little bit in finding a cause which is right for your business, that will work alongside your sort of values and goals and help promote them on your premises. I know it sounds counterproductive to put other businesses or charities and things like that on your business. However, this has a proven success rate in marketing, so it's definitely worth trying out. Anyway, you have a lovely day. Bye.